Okay, I'm gonna film this whole little area, and there's kind of beautiful. This is the let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. This is the military club, so it's fun to film this festival. See if that'll come in a little bit. Festival of Portugal. Food and wine. Festival of Food and Wine. Organizing things. And we also have Lisboa. We have this big walkway. There's people walking across it right now. This walkway connects the two casinos. So this one is Lisboa. And then right next to it is this big giant wall. I guess this used to be where the water would come up. So this was, I think this street right here is called Praia Avenida. So the water would come all the way up to here. And then they built all this reclaimed land. So everything on that side is all reclaimed land where they built all the casinos and everything like that. So we're just gonna walk a little bit with this. This is kind of a shakier camera than my GoPro camera. But we're just gonna use it anyways. And so there's Boa. Yeah, so the waterway used to go all the way up to this right here. So we're just gonna film this right here. And actually, if you could get up there, you'll see like little cannons. There's a little bit of a cannon right there. There it is. But all of that has used to have cannons because it's used to overlook the water. But now it's just a tourist attraction. Military club is there. Looks like there's some students here. But yeah, this was all ocean right here, and now it's all reclaimed land. They filled it in, and now they have more buildings basically. I'm gonna walk down a little bit further. We'll try to film it from a different angle. Actually, we're gonna try to walk across the street right here. And you can see the sign, Avenida de Praia. Let's see if we can get here without getting hit. Avenida de Praia right there. So that's the name of the street. And actually now I can see all the cannons. So they're also getting ready for the Grand Prix right now. So this right here is Grand Prix stuff. And there's some officials. But I'm gonna focus on these cannons for today. So you can see a cannon there. And this building is called the Military Club because they had, or the military was there to watch for pirates. Let's see, there's another in there. Is that net? There it is. Or is that not it? Where is it? I can see it with my visible eye, but I can't see it with the camera eye. But I can see some other ones anyways. There's one. There it is. You can kind of focus a little bit, and then there's some more. Another one. Another one. All the cannons in there. So yeah, Avenida de Praia. Right there, Military Club. And this right here is, I know a lot of people just kind of hang out here. I think they come from the casinos and maybe run out of money. I'm not entirely sure. We're gonna go all the way down here. Hotel Lisboa. So they're building the racetrack over here too. So we're just gonna walk over a little bit, and you can see some of this too. So that right there is the racetrack. We'll zoom in on this guy with a motorcycle, and in the background you can see the racetrack back there. And different people walking around as well. So okay. So all that yellow and black is all racetrack stuff. Focusing on it over there. Guy's standing in the middle of the road. I guess he's hopefully doing the construction side of things. So, okay. And Lisboa. Hotel Lisboa, so you kind of get a sense of what's here. So we're gonna walk back through here. And so above us is a highway. Not a highway, a road. It's just a city road. Okay, so if you get a better view of Macau, I'm also kind of capturing things. Things are changing quite a bit in Macau. So much construction, and then you know, who knows what this would be like in the future someday. Let's kind of zoom in on. Let's go down here. You can see all these kind of windows, so people will stop by, take a look at the windows too, right? We're just gonna zoom in on all that. Actually, we're gonna walk a little bit so we can see the military club, and then that'll be a good conclusion spot. So now we should have a good angle of the military club right there. So that's where we're just at, underneath that. We just walked by the military club, which is right there, and then those are our signs about the Portuguese. And then I think this is advertising for Lusophonia. Yeah. Okay. There's a festival coming up this weekend. I'm going to be filming quite a bit about this festival, Portuguese diaspora, people from the Portuguese-speaking world. Okay, and maybe we'll finish right here. This is Lisboa, kind of cool structure, and then Macau Tower in the background. And that'll be it for this video. Chiquinha.